In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Zapier plan. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account and click Continue to authorize the connection. After a moment, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Next, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture, or the circle with your initials. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, open the Billing and Usage section. This area shows your current plan, your task usage, and your billing cycle, so it's the place where plan changes are managed. If you're on a paid plan, look for the Manage button on your current plan and click it. Choose the option to switch to the free plan. This effectively cancels your paid subscription by scheduling a downgrade at the end of your current billing period, while keeping your account active on the free tier. If your account is already on the free plan, you'll see upgrade options here as well, but for canceling, simply confirm the downgrade to free. A few important notes to keep in mind. If you have paper task usage enabled, you might still receive charges for extra tasks processed during the current billing cycle, even after you initiate the cancellation. That's expected since those are billed separately based on usage. Also, Zapier subscriptions are non-refundable, so once you've paid for the current period, the downgrade takes effect after that period ends rather than issuing a prorated refund. If you're on a free trial and haven't added payment details, you don't need to do anything. The trial won't convert to a paid plan automatically. Canceling your plan does not delete your account. It just downgrades you to the free plan. If you want to permanently remove your account and data, return to Settings and open the Security and Data section to start the deletion process. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you change billing. Look for the workspace switcher near the top of the app, because billing is managed per workspace. After downgrading, review any zaps that might exceed free plan limits and pause or adjust them so they don't consume unexpected tasks. And that's it. Once you confirm the downgrade in billing and usage, your paid Zapier plan is canceled and your workspace continues on the free tier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you cancel your Zapier plan with confidence.